Your visit to Port Blair must begin right here at the Cellular Jail, which is now a national memorial. The Cellular Jail is truly the heart and soul of not only Port Blair but of the entire Andamans. The British first began to use this area as a safe harbour for ships in distress, and then slowly developed into the most infamous penal colony in the history of India. The first gallows and the first jail were not set up here. They were set up at Viper Island, and then in 1857, the Great Indian Mutiny, otherwise known as India's first War of Independence, occurred, and after that everything changed. The British retook control of India, and the jails on the mainland were overflowing with prisoners, in other words, freedom fighters. So, the British needed a place where they could take the most dangerous freedom fighters and keep them in safe custody. So they thought of the Andaman Islands, and thus on 10th March 1858, 200 freedom fighters whom the British considered extremely dangerous political prisoners were brought right here to the Andaman Islands to Port Blair, and thus the saga of Kala Pani, the saga of the Cellular Jail, began that day. The basic idea behind the construction of the cellular jail was to make the penal character in the initial confinement more penal in nature, more difficult, more harsh, more vigilant, and more strict.
Actually, cellular jail is no more a jail, no more a prison. It was declared a national memorial on 11 February 1979 by the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Morarji Desai ji. And now it has become a pilgrimage. People come here and they offer their tribute, they pay their tribute to the freedom fighters and martyrs for they suffered a lot inside the jail. The young generation especially should come and visit, and they must see from their own eyes and how much people we have paid, our ancestors, our freedom fighters, they have paid what they have paid for the freedom we enjoy today.
If we look straight down to the corridors, all the 3 different floors and all the 7 different wings, they all met here in this central pillar. When it was built, it had 7 wings or blocks, and it was like a spokes of the bicycle. And here also you can see each wing or block face the back wall of the other wing. One prisoner's lodge in this particular wing, they should not communicate with the other prisoners of that wing. So maybe they made it like that. And the whole construction was in such a way that all the entry and exit points to the cellular jail was from this particular point, the central tower. It was here that some of the strongest voices of freedom were incarcerated by the British. Perhaps it was because of the strict punishment and hostile environment across the mysterious water that exile in the Andaman was called Saga-e-Kala Pani, punishment to black waters. Patriots were locked up in these cells and forced to perform rigorous labor in the yard outside. Thankfully, their sacrifices didn't go in vain, for the Andaman Islands acted as a precursor to India's independence. years before she actually earned it.
Some 30 million bricks were used to build the
It
jail.
was here that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the head of the provincial government of Azad Hind, hoisted the Indian tricolour for the first time on 30th December 1943 on British Free Indian territory. Can you imagine a pre-forbidding day like this? And the chimes from this very bell tower bring out the sad news to not only all the ships docked in the harbour, but to all the residents of the Port Blair, that today 3 inmates were hanged in the cellular jail. This 6-sided central tower not only provided a perfect vantage point for security reasons, it also gives an incredible view of the bay. And here I am looking out towards North Bay, and there is the most famous lighthouse of North Bay.
ये सामने की ओर आप देख पाएंगे, ये है नॉर्थ बे आइलैंड, जहाँ पे सी वॉक, स्नॉर्कलिंग, अंडर वाटर कॉरल, स्कूबा इस सब के लिए ले जाते हैं। और भारत के जो 20 रुपए की जो
I will tell you a secret. If you look into your wallet and bring out a 20 rupee note and look at it very carefully, what will you see? That lighthouse. Yes, on every 20 rupee note there is the famous lighthouse of North Bay. As the sun sets in the Bay of Bengal, darkness engulfs the cellular jail. We can feel the air resonate with the mood of our heroes. They sacrificed each and every day of their life to gift us an independent India. And they seem to whisper in our ears that for your tomorrow, we gave our today.